Hi, welcome to the QuickIT.net. My name is Amrita and today we will going to learn about the grade 4 component. So the most prominent question will going to be asked in the interview. Tell me about the grade 4 components. Okay. So what are the components available inside my grid? Okay. The first one is router. Okay. So this is my router. So what is the router responsibility? I explained you earlier. Okay. Let me explain one more time. So the router take care of forwarding the request to the correct component, right? Distributor, the second part of my component. It is the main role is to receive a new session request and to find a suitable node where my session can be created, right? The third part is my node. Okay, each node is different, maybe different. It's maybe different browser you are using, the different operating system you are using, the different browser version. So each and every node takes care of the managing the slot for the available browser of the machine where it is running. Session map keep the information. Okay, this session map keeps the information of the session id and the node where the session is running. Event bus serves as a communication path between the node. The grid does most of the internal communication through the message, avoiding the expensive http calls. Alright, so these are the basic grid 4 component, okay, which are used inside my Selenium grid. Okay, so here different grid types we need to learn about it. So what are the different grid types? This is also most asked interview question. So the different grid types are standalone mode, my classic grid include my hub and node like my earlier version. Fully distributed, inside my fully distributed mode, okay, router distribution session and the node plays an important role. Okay, so you can use the grid type in a 4 different mode: the standalone mode, the classic grid mode, and fully distributed mode. Fine. So you need to do the connection between my hub and the node. So how you will going to do the connection? Okay, let me create one of the folder over here. Okay, so here I will be going to create one folder called Selenium grid. Okay, and inside this, okay, what I need to do over here, okay, so I will visit my official website selenium.dev and I will download my Selenium 4. The latest jar version. Okay, so don't forget to download the latest jar version. So I just need to click on the download. Okay, the latest stable version is 4.1.3. So I will be going to download this version, and please make sure you need to keep this jar file inside your dedicated folder. Okay, because you need to start the connection between my hub with my node. So let me, I will go to my download section first. Okay, so see 4.1.3 file is here, successfully downloaded. I will paste over here. Okay, and I will fire the command here through my command prompt. So what is the command? Okay, in order to start my hub, so let's see under my documentation. Okay, what are the commands? So I will go over here inside my grid. Okay, and I can click on grid architecture. Let me see the command. They have already been given you the command. Okay, so you need to take those command. You can click on the configuration. Okay, so can you see the under the configuration? Okay, configuration help. Okay, I need to configure my hub. Okay, first, that means under my standalone type. So what I will going to do, okay, I need to start my hub connection, right? So I will copy this, okay, till my hub. I will going to copy. Let me open the notepad as well, okay. Hub connection. Okay, the current version is what? My Selenium, which is my version Selenium 4.1.3. Okay, so I can write 4.1.3 dot jar hub. Okay, so I will copy this and fire this command. Okay, here press enter. So can you see now it is connecting to my IP address. Okay, so socket is already been created, event bus is already been created. Now I can successfully start my hub. That means I have started my Selenium hub 4.1.3. okay, so if you want to have a look, okay, where is your hub is running, you can visit this URL, okay, http 192.168.1.5 4444. Okay, and here just wait for a moment, the internet connection are a little bit slow. Okay, or you can either put the local host 4444, no problem. Okay, so can you see the grid has no register node yet? Why? Because I have right now only started my hub. Okay, I'm not connecting with my grid anymore. Okay, so I need to connect with my grid as well. So how do I connect with my grid? Okay, so let's begin with that. So I will again go back to my official website of Selenium, click on documentation and go to the configuration part. I need to start my node. Okay, now, so for a node, okay, node could be a multiple. Okay, so here this is the command for the node. Okay, so I will copy this and paste on my notepad. Okay, node connection. Okay, fine. And here on the same folder I am opening my command prompt and we're going to fire this command. Okay, the version is 4.1.3. okay, 4.1.3 jar role as node. Okay, so socket has been created, event bus is also ready, and now the node is getting connected to my with my hub. So can you see started Selenium node 4.1.3 sending registration event node has been added. So let me refresh this. Okay, we'll check. Can you see now inside my overview tab? Okay, I can see the URL. Okay, URI which is of my IP address. Okay, and I can see the 4 instance of my Chrome browser, 4 instance of my Firefox. I'm using the Windows 10 and 4 instance of my Microsoft Edge. Okay, so here my hub is successfully getting connected with my node. Okay, so now I need to write a program. Okay, to run my test case, okay, on my by using the Selenium grid. So in next lecture we will going to see how I will uh, going to write a program for the Selenium grid for a same. If you like my video, okay, share with your friend, okay, please make a comment if you have any question. Thank you very much. Have a great day.